With so many ways to make money online, it can be tough to find the right method of doing so. Here on this channel, we want to help you find a way of making extra money, and today I'm going to show you a simple Google trick and a free website. You can earn money from this method just by sharing your opinions. I'm going to introduce you to this fantastic website so you can start earning money today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for regular updates on how to make money online. So let's take a good look at MindSumo.com. MindSumo is a website that helps you crowdsource breakthrough ideas fast and affordably from creative problem solvers. You can see here that they work with some of the world's most recognizable companies. And if we scroll down here, we can see projects that pay up to thousands of dollars. You can see the leaderboard of people collecting all of their earnings. There is huge potential to be made here. You can earn serious money by sharing your ideas on a particular topic. So first, you will see this message asking if you are a company or a problem solver that shares ideas to earn money. Click on the problem solver option and you'll be taken to this screen, which explains a little more about who they are and what they do, including their credentials, so you know that they're a legit company. From here, you need to click on the top right to sign up for MindSumo. Fill out the form with all of your information, and below that, you can answer some questions before clicking on the blue sign up option. Now you have joined the website as a problem solver. Good job! Now you can choose projects to start. You can see that you can select which category you want to work with, like business and computer science. These categories will pay great money. If you click them, you can see which projects are available. Click on one of the offers available to you, and you'll be required to fill out some more information. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see the box that they want you to submit your responses. Are you still following along? Okay, great. Let's get going to the next step to save you time and effort. Don't forget to like this video. Now here is where the trick comes in. Instead of trying to figure out good answers, you can cut out the hard work. Just copy the question you want to work on and paste it into Google. And you'll be shown different answers and different solutions across the web. Do your research and make sure you verify any information that you copy. Make sure that you make it detailed and mix different answers up so it all makes sense. And reword the final answers so that you make it your own work. When you're done that, submit the work into the box and wait a few hours. That's everything. Until next time, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any Make Money Online uploads. Bye!